Mali talaga tong hiking activity na to eh.
That was an accident.
O, aksidente kasi pinabayaan mo.
Eh, di ba tinawag mo ako?
Ano ba kayo? Tumigil na nga kayo dyan.
I am so sorry if I put down the phone kanina. I didn't want you to worry kasi.
Listen,
It's all thanks to you, Dad. I love you, Daddy.
I love you too, Nikki.
Tol. Next, ba't gising ka pa?
It's mainit kasi, Kuya. I can't sleep.
Sudanan yung mga bata.
Naku, wag, Sir Chief.
Bakit?
Mamaya tuksuhin niyo ng mga kasama nila.
I don't care. Gusto ko silang sunduin.
Sir Chief.
Wala namang masama.
Mr. Lim. Ricky!
What did you just call me?
Ricky?
I like that better than Sir Chief. From now on, call me that.
Okay.
Ikaw ba naglagay sa akin ito?
Hindi.
Mosquito patch. Nick, ikaw ba naglagay sa akin?
Ew, Nicolo.
Maya, is it okay with you to meet with the planner tomorrow?
Planner?
Our wedding planner. Di ba hindi ka naman double leg bukas? So, I'll set with her tomorrow in the afternoon.
Okay, Ricky.
Sabel, po, bilisan mo na yan. Gutom na yung mga iyon.
Opo, opo. Oh, bilis-bilisan nga daw. Kaya naman tigilan na ang pagte-text. Manang Fe, nagte-text ka ba?
Eh, wala man akong cellphone, ah.
O, Joma, nagte-text ka ba? Ay, wala pala si Joma. O, sino kausap mo, Doris? Ay, Manang, akin na nga muna yung nilaga. Dadaling ko na lang doon. Ay, hindi, Manang. Ako na po. Sige na. Doon ka na, kami na lang dito. Dumating na alaga mo, di ba? Oo, pero sabi kasi ni Sir Richard, sila na lang daw muna ang bahala kay Abby. Kaya akin na yan. O, edi, magpahinga ka muna. Makipag-text ka. Oo, pagkakataon mo na, di ba?
Yun lang, kung may magre-reply.
Hoy, Isabel!
Magsitigil kayong dalawa. Ano ba naman kayo?
Manang siya, tignan mo nga. Anong ako? Ikaw kaya nagsimula. Narinig nyo? Siya kaya?
Oh, my G, it's so good to be home. Decent food, with the comfort of a decent table, with decent utensils.
Tamo, Nix, oh. Mas okay pa yata kasama si Abby sa hiking, eh, oh.
Oh, my G, baby, who taught you that?
Si Ate Maya po.
Ate Maya, please, can you teach me then? I mean, I know how rin naman kaso the rice keeps falling off from my hand.
Parang si Daddy.
Baby!
Please, Daddy. Ate Nikki, let me teach you.
Ay, nako, baby. Huwag muna. Titili ang pag minalalaglag ng mga pagkain. Sakit na ng tenga ko, eh.
You're so OA, kuya.
Anong OA? Alam mo ba, Dad, nung nalaglag si Nick sa putik,
Stop it, kuya. I don't want to remember.
she was like, kuya, Abby, ang kanili. I'm gonna die na.
Ah, you're so GRRR.
I'm gonna die na.
Stop it na. Stop.
Dad,
Dad, good night na rin. Night, Ate Maya.
yan natin, Maya. Night, Dad.
Ay, Sir Chief.
Finally, warm and comfy bed. No lamok.
I know, when I compliment him, he won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that he don't see what I see. But every time he asks me, do I look okay? I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are.
Hindi siguro. Pero, malay mo.
Yes, Corinne. So you text me your address for later? Thank you. Sorry. Ano na ulit schedule ko ngayon?
9 a.m. you have a site visit and a meeting with with Engineer Yamaguchi, and then you have a lunch meeting with Mr. Jaime Ventura. 2 p.m. you have a conference call with Singapore Lines Express. And then 7 p.m. you have a meeting with me and with the staff. And may I know, sir, what the agenda of that meeting is?
Formalization of your promotion. And by the way, Lisa, can you move our meeting to 3 p.m.?
Yes.
Maya and I will be meeting with the wedding planner.
Okay, sir.
Hi, Eman. Hindi ba magkikita tayo mamaya? Pero pagkatapos nun, aalis ako. Medyo gagabihin na ako ng uwi.
May date ka?
With the wedding planner. Oh, bakit? Ikaw, puro kakalokohan.
At ikaw puro kakakiligan. Pwede bang tumili?
Ha? Uy, ikaw talaga. Tigilan mo nga yan.
Anong feeling?
Siyempre. Exciting, tsaka nakakakilig.
Oh my gosh! Eh, si Sir Richard.
Hindi ko alam. Ewan ko sa kanya kasi di ba pangalawa na to sa kanya.
Ay, naku, Rumi, huwag mong i-underestimate ang powers ng kilig. Kahit pang nth time pa siya, nth time ang kilig niyan.
Tingin mo?
Kitang-kita ko.
Let's go na, baby.
Ate, your friend, do?
Huh? Amiel.
Good morning, little girl.
For me? Thank you.
Baby, I won't make you hatid muna sa room mo, ah.
Okay, ate. Bye, ate.
Bye.
Bye, kuya.
Bye, Abby.
Ate.
There's your bag.
Ingat ka. Bye-bye.
Bye.
So, there are things.
Huh?
I'll carry them for you.
No. No.
Look, we're just practicing.
We need to talk.
About what?
About this whole pretend thing. Let's just stop na.
Why?
It's so complicated.
Anong complicated dun? You want Nicolo to leave you alone. And see, it worked. Hindi niya tayo ginulo ng camping.
Well, yeah, but
But you still like him. And you actually still like him to be around.
yes. No. That's not the point.
Ano ba talaga?
I just want to stop this whole pretense thing. Kasi I think it's not right. It's so dishonest and it's nakakapagod to act all the time. Look, I'm sorry kung hindi na kita matutulungan na gumanti. It's just that once you get to know Nicola naman, he's kind. So, no need na to make ganti.
Okay.
Okay, so see you sa meeting? Great. Bye na.
Bye.
Oo, best friend na Ira, pwede ako mamaya. Sige, punta ka na lang sa amin, okay? Bye, ingat.
Magkikita kayo ni Ira, tol?
Oo, tol. Papaturo siya ng assignment eh.
Eh, paano naman yung Cheska mo? Magsiselos.
Tol, best friends lang kami ni Ira, okay? At si Cheska, friends lang din kami.
Naks, ang pogi talaga. Grabe ka. Ibang klase ka na. Lupit mo
Ganun
tol, ah.
talaga.
O, paano? Last subject. Mag-fishball tayo. Nag-iaya daw si Cheska mo eh.
Best friend, sunod na lang ako kasi pupunta pa akong library. Tatapusin ko pa yung report ko.
Hindi mo natapos kagabi?
Tol, ang sakit-sakit ng katawan ko.
Ngayon, kasi susunod, alam mo na gagawin mo, ha?
Best friend,
O, bakit?
Hindi mo pa talaga alam kung sino yung naglagay ng mosquito patch sa akin.
Hindi ka pa rin nakaka-move on dyan, tol?
Tol, gusto ko lang sana mag-thank you. Naman.
Alam mo kasi, tol, posibleng nakahiga ka, di ba? Natutulog. Dumikit lang sa yung mosquito patch, nagamit. O kaya, naingkanto ka.
Tol, alam mo, seryoso na kasi ako eh. Sige na.
Ano nangyari dun?
Mamaya makakausap na namin yung wedding planner.
Wait a minute! So mauunahan mo pa kami ni Charlie?
Ay, o nga no. Kailan ba yung date ninyo?
Well, we're trying to save up for our dream wedding, which is gonna be... Wait a minute. Can we not talk about me? We're talking about you! What are your plans?
Kagabi kasi nagkausap kami ni nanay. Tapos, sinabi niya na yung venue na gusto namin sa San Nicolas, gumuho yung foundation. Kaya ayun, nire-renovate ulit. Eh, hindi aabot dun sa iniisip naming date.
Oh no! Doon ang gusto niyo, di ba?
Oo nga sana eh, kaya lang hindi naman pwedeng ipilit. Tsaka sabi ni nanay, pwede rin naman dito sa Manila gawin yung wedding.
Well, yes, Maya. It is romantic to get married in the province, but it's more convenient if you do it in Manila.
Oo, sige, pag-uusapan namin yan ni Ricky.
Ricky! That's more like it.
Luto na ba yan? I'm so hungry.
I have to go, Maya. I have to make food for Charlie.
No problem. Sige, ingat kayo dyan. Bye-bye.
Maya, ikutuloy niyo na.
Kaya ako pala may wedding magazine eh.
Ako sa mo sa telepono. Dito na lang sa Manila.
Maya, invited kami, ha?
Oo
Sama
naman
mo kami,
kayo.
ah.
Oo naman kayo talaga.
Maya, ninang kami ni Miss Belmonte, ha?
Okay, join us. No, it's okay. I'm still waiting for Stacy. Okay. Tita Rafi? Oh my G, you know na?
Yes!
Oh my G, Tita Rafi, I am so excited for them na talaga.
I know! Gustong-gusto ko na nga umuwi dyan, eh.
Ay, did you know that they're meeting na with the wedding planner later?
I do.
Tita Rafi, I am so excited na talaga.
Halika na, baby. Parang masaya sa school ngayon, ha? Marami ka assignment?
Look, it's nice.
Yan, ha?
Hi, Ate Isabel!
Hi, Abby! Oy, ang cute-cute naman ng baby namin. May flowers pa.
Ate's friend gave it to me po.
Ay, talaga? Girl o boy na friend?
Boy po.
Ay, ang bongga. Pati si Abby nakakatanggap na rin